Hey there, welcome to Be Fluent, Speak English Fast. Easy way to improve your English. If you want to speak English confidently, improve your grammar, and master real-life expressions, you're in the right place. On this channel, you'll get English speaking practice, listening practice, English conversation practice, daily used vocabulary, the easiest way to learn English grammar, pronunciation training, shadowing practice, repeat after me exercises, and so much more. All designed to help you speak naturally and fluently. We make English learning easy, fun, and super fast, with daily tips, interactive lessons, and real conversations. So, hit that subscribe button, and let's start speaking English fluently, together. Be Fluent, Speak English Fast, your fluency journey starts here.